Hi there guys, hope you are doing well. In this video we will talk about Jason Becker's Opus Pocus. I'm not gonna go to details, just wanna let you guys about the positions. So I saw a lot of cover videos that people playing like going to the root, but when you listen the original song you will hear that So if you watch my Fix Your Sweep Picking in 3 Steps video, I usually advise when you start to ascend, start with downstroke, downstroke, pull off, upstroke, 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 and next has to be downstroke actually, but the sound is not like that. So Jason play in this way, so that's why I'm playing like this. So I'm playing upstroke with the A string and then jumping on and keep continue this string with the downstrokes. Down, 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 pull off, up, 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 down, 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 down. Yeah. Hi there guys, hope you are doing well. In this video we will talk about Cacophony Go of 6-string sweep arpeggios. If you want to learn how to play sweep picking technique, you can check out my sweep picking is easy video. And in my YouTube channel there are a lot of sweep picking lesson videos like Dream Theater, Glass Prison, Nevermore, The Godless Endeavor, Jason Becker Altitudes, Jason Becker Serrana. So you can check all of this sweep picking arpeggio lesson videos. So in this video we have 6-string sweep picking arpeggios. So this is a basic exercise, everybody can practice this one. It's actually great exercise for you to improve your 6-string sweep picking arpeggios. First we have a G major 6-string sweep arpeggio. And we can play this G major like this. And it's like that. And we can start like. So as I know, Jason Becker uses his sweep picking like this. I mostly use this pattern because I have small hands and it's way easier for me to play this one. So the second sweep picking is this one. The first one is G major and the second one is D major. Or and the third one is, as you can see, it's E minor, and you can play this like or. And the next one is, it's a B minor. So I have this like D minor shape, and my root is on my ring finger, and this is B minor. Or, and next one is C major. Or I can play this. Next one is again G major, like a D major open chord shape. D major. Sorry, G major. Again, C major. In the end, D major again. And also, I will create a sweep picking playlist for you guys. I will put all my sweep picking lesson videos in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support my channel, you can join my Patreon page. If you have any questions, you can write down below. I hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Cheers, guys.